So I have to agree with the seller in Pakistan. This is definitely better in person. Absolutely amazing. You were right. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Just when I thought I had enough quartz, no, this was worth it. This is gonna go to a great home. I'm sure of it.